flight just landed in June 1967, and Israel is literally about to start a war that lasts 6 days. Everyone here thinks they're about to win. Egypt's President Nasser just told them they'll push Israel into the sea. That's Moshe Dayar, the guy with the eye patch. They're planning something massive. I can feel it.
Egyptian forces advancing on all fronts!
They're telling their own people they're winning, right now, while their planes are burning. This lie is about to drag Jordan into the war. Look at this. In 6 days, Israel went from this to this. They tripled their territory. 3.5 times bigger. The entire Middle East map just got rewritten. Egypt just moved 100,000 troops into the Sinai. That's not a drill, that's a statement. They just kicked out the UN peacemakers. The only buffer between these armies is gone. It's 7 a.m., June 5th, 1967. In 45 minutes, these pilots are going to change the entire Middle East. Forever. With no air force left, Egypt can't stop this. Israeli tanks are just rolling through the Sinai like nothing is there. What do you think happens next?
We will be in Tel Aviv in 2 days. Easy.
He has no idea what's coming. They're hitting the planes on the ground! Egypt didn't even get a single jet in the air! I did not think through the whole visiting an actual war thing. This is real. They're going, all of them. Israel is sending every thing. Egypt just blocked this strait, Israel's only route to the Red Sea. Israel literally said this would be an act of war. And Nesto did it anyway. Jordan just started spalling Jerusalem. These are ancient buildings, some of them thousands of years old, and they're getting torn apart. Israeli paratroopers are fighting house to house through the old city. They haven't been here in almost 2,000 years. The Syrians have been spalling these families from the Golan Heights for years, literally raining shells onto farms while kids are sleeping. Going up, straight into Syria's guns. The slope is almost vertical. These soldiers are insane! 300 planes! They destroy 100 planes in 3 hours! 90% of Egypt's Air Force gone before breakfast! This was Egypt's pride. Their entire Air Force. It took Israel less time to destroy it than it takes me to watch a movie. 7th, 1967. Jewish soldiers are touching this wall for the first time since the Romans destroyed the temple in 70 AD. That's almost 2,000 years.
What does this moment mean?
My grandfather, he always told me about this wall. He never thought.
Yeah. These were someone's sons, someone's dads. Now they're just scrap metal in the desert. Nobody wins a war. Some just lose less.
You can see everything from up here. Every farm, every house, every playground. This is where they were shelling from for 19 years.
It's over. 6 days. 132 hours. The guns just stopped.
6 days, 132 hours, and nothing. Not the borders, not the politics, not the people will ever be the same. Some of this is still being fought about right now, today, while you're watching this. Mina, maps get redrawn. Maps get redrawn. But the people who lived inside those lines, they remember. Where should I go next?